Hey guys, how are you? I think you are fine and you are good in your life. Okay, so after a long time, I make this video, and I hope that you all are waiting for my video, for my new video. So here is my new video. So watch my video till the end, and today I'm discussing the new topic, and which is like very important topic that I want to discuss with you. And it is a it is like currently it is based on the current scenario of the world. And as we know that the war is going on between America and Iran, and which is very countries like India, China, other like Nepal, and all over the country, and all other country are affected by their war. And I don't know why they just America and Iran, they or other always that they doing war. Always they why they do, why they get from that war. I don't know, like why they doing those kind of nonsense things in war. Like why they don't like spreading the happiness all over the world. Why they get from that? Why they get is they get from and the happiness to destroy the other countries? is is the America uh, feel very good to destroy the other countries? No, it's just like a temporary happiness. Okay, just why they do those kind of things, and why they just affected other countries. In my personal opinion, like it's not good. Yeah, it's totally not good. Because why we get from war? No, we don't get nothing. We don't get anything from the war. Only we get from the war is like a destroyness, destroyness of the people, destroyness of the world. That the God gives a good war, like God gives a good world to us. We are born in the earth. Earth is a very good place. And why we just trying to destroy the other countries? Why do we don't? Why we just trying to destroy the other countries, and doing the war and war only? It's not a good. It's not a good way to live, you know. So like because of the like that America and the Iran war, we face a different problem here. The first problem is that the lack of LPG gas, the crisis of LPG gas. We like we did, we didn't get any LPG gas cylinder for cooking foods, for like for fulfill our basic needs. Like we face the different problems to cook our food in the kitchen. Yeah, so like because of that war, like all the country like India, basically India and Nepal face the different problem here. Yeah, you know, I hear the different newses, I hear the different social media newses that all people like in India, all the people were died are died because of the lack of LPG gas, because of the lack of their food. And all the hotels, all the different restaurants were uh, were like a were like a stop for a while in the all the countries, and like basically India. So like why they just like because of like America and because of like Iran, all the country faced a different problem. And my intention is to make this video is that to inform all the people all over the world that it's not good. It's not a good. Basically, I'm informing this video to the America that what you will get from that war, what you will get from that war. Think about it. Hmm? Did you get any happiness? Did you get anything from that? but instead of it, you get different problems in your country as well, because all the country are the neighbors, all the country are just like a social society is like in a country. Yeah, if one country is breaked, it means that all the country will be breaked. So we should maintain all the country in a prosperity. We should maintain all the country in a good way. We don't need to destroy the other country. We don't need to to remove the country from the map. Right? It's not. Isn't it a crazy thing that some people say that I will remove that your country from the map. Wow, isn't it a crazy thing? Yeah, think about it. My like whenever I thought that why that kind of people those things, that kind of that kind of people think that way, that I will like remove your country from the map. How can they think that those things? I'm getting shocked sometimes. Yeah, so like my intention is to inform all the people, and basically to the Iran people, and basically to the all over the world people. So if you if you get some idea from my video, then I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then you can hit the like button and click the subscribe button. Okay, friends, so be with me, and I will try to make the new videos with the new topic. So be with me and support our channel Creative Learning. Bye bye.